Welcome to MSA Ford. Today, we are showcasing the 2026 Ford Super Duty F-350 single rear-wheel four-wheel drive SuperCab in the XLT trim. This truck features a 164-inch wheelbase and is powered by the 7.3-liter dual equal variable cam timing naturally aspirated port fuel injection V8 gas engine. It is paired with a 10-speed automatic TorqShift transmission for maximum capability and smooth delivery of power. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you are navigating the rugged Sumas Mountain backroads or heading to a remote job site, this Oxford White F-350 is built for the challenge. It comes standard with the 11,800-pound gross vehicle weight rating package and the Snowplow Prep and Camper package. With the 3.73 electronic locking axle and all-terrain tires, you have the traction required for the most demanding terrain and weather conditions found anywhere in the Fraser Valley. With upgraded LED head and tail lights and post-exposure braking, you are confidently navigating Patton Road and the backroads. This model also comes standard with the Ford Pass Connect and Ford Rivalry, which allows you to start your vehicle remotely, rock down your favorite tunes, and get your daily connectivity fix anywhere you go. Whether you are daily driving or traveling with friends, the 5-passenger cab is spacious and equipped with comfort features. The naysaying big truck owners alike will love this truck. Enjoy a quiet ride with the 110% soundproofing, well-insulated cabin, and off-road capabilities that are proven in the Fraser Valley. For ultimate control, the simulated TPMS and the HP&D technology are user-friendly. Whether you are traveling anywhere from Langley to Okanagan, you will be confident in your drive. Personalize this truck and make it your own with MSA Ford's full range of customization features and accessories. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. At MSA Ford, we never compromise on quality or experience. We are a local family, offering exceptional service and local value. Come visit and see us at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. We are always here to serve you. MSA Ford, always there, always close. Thank you for choosing MSA Ford. We appreciate your business.
Step inside to find a medium dark slate cloth interior that perfectly balances durability with modern comfort. The cabin is equipped with a 40-20-40 split cloth seat and a power driver seat to ensure comfort on long hauls. You will enjoy the convenience of power locks and windows, plus a 120-volt outlet to keep your mobile devices charged. The rear window features fixed privacy glass, providing a sleek look while keeping your interior cool and secure. This truck is packed with functional upgrades straight from the factory to make your workday easier. It includes platform running boards for easy access and the Tough Bed spray-in Bedliner to protect the cargo area from wear and tear. For those cold British Columbia mornings, the engine block heater and remote start system are essential features. Safety is a top priority with the anti-lock braking system, advanced track with roll stability control, and the safety canopy airbag system. Short pause.
Many buyers ask about the electrical capacity for heavy-duty work accessories. According to the window sticker data, this specific model is equipped with a high-output 410-amp dual alternator and a dual battery system. Combined with the factory-installed Upfitter switches, this Super Duty is ready for any additional lighting, winches, or specialized equipment you need to install to get the job done right. From the integrated trailer brake controller to the convenient tailgate step, this F-350 is the ultimate tool for the modern professional. Visit us today to experience the power and reliability of the Ford Super Duty lineup for yourself. Our expert team is ready to help you find the perfect vehicle to power your business or your next adventure. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.